Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about car soundproofing. So we're going to back up a little bit because you know that word proofing bothers me, right? Proofing, no such thing. If you can find me a car that doesn't produce noise from the road, from anywhere, outside getting in, inside getting out, I'll buy it, okay? Call me and I'll buy it today. The bottom line here is there's no such thing as proofing. It's noise management. That's what we're doing. So car soundproofing is really car sound management. Okay, how do we manage the sound in a car? We have sound coming in from the outside. We have sound coming from the tires in their contact with the road. We have sound coming from the cars in the lane next to us. Okay, so we have a lot of sources outside the car producing energy that we have to keep out. Obviously, not many of the cars you see today, especially these stereo systems that they have in the cars with the large drivers, are concerned about the sound getting out and bothering you. So let's just keep it as a one-way gate. We want to keep the noise from the outside from getting into the car. So how do we do that? Okay, first thing we have to do is think about your car as a boat. You're going to take your car and you're going to put it in the water. This is how you have to conceptually think of sound barrier and soundproofing technology. You have to plug all the holes because sound is like water. It will find the weakest link in the structure. So how do we do that in a car? Well, we have to look at all the areas of a car where the surfaces contact each other. The windows, when they roll up into the molding around your door. The edge of the door when it closes, is it a good seal? Is the rubber around the door good? The floor of the car, the base of the car, is it sealed from the noise from the floor and the road noise and the tire noise and the engine noise with the firewall? So we have to, look at all of these sources. You're not going to get them all. You have to start usually with the doors because those will give you the most surface areas that you can deal with. Doors are complicated today. Back in the old days, they used to be hollow. You had a little bit of mechanism for the opening and closing structures and stuff like that. We had cavities that we could work within. Today, they're so full of wires and electronics, there's hardly any space left. So the technology that you use is a limp mass damping compound. It looks like rubber, so to speak. It's flexible. You glue it inside. You seal it really well. It will work really well for frequencies above 100, 125 cycles. But the low frequency energy in a car is going to be very, very difficult to stop. Now, we can manage the low frequency energy inside the car. If we're looking at car soundproofing inside the car, will be more like, car sound absorption inside the car. So we do that with our carbon technology. And we're going to do a whole series of videos on some products I've come up with for you mobile guys that like your music in the car. And I do too. There's nothing really like music in motion. I like music as I'm driving and moving down the road. It is fun. And sometimes it's fun when the music coordinates with what you're doing in driving. If you're going up a hill or going down a hill fast and you have a really dynamic passageway in the music, it's kind of fun. So music in motion is important. We use limp mass as our main material in car soundproofing. And sealing all the edges is another thing that you can do that's pretty inexpensive. So hope that helps, and thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.